Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7a, and today I'll show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me. Now once the content is open and visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold the power button and volume down at the same time, which will capture your screenshot, giving you two options, which is the share and edit option, and after a moment this will just disappear. Once it does so, you can find the screenshot in your Photos application. So it will be visible either right at the top, but if later on you have your albums somewhere at the bottom, I think I don't have enough content right now for the albums to show up. You can then just go to the albums and navigate into the album called Screenshots, which, as you can see, it's labeled Screenshots right here. And even if I tap on the text, it will open up said album. And from here, obviously, you can view your screenshot. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.